How you doing? Good, baby.
We came all the way out here for one reason only, let's get a win. Let's get a win. Everything today is about getting a win. Every time you line up, think about winning. Win the draw, win the series, win the quarter, win the game. That's all it takes. Dominate. Dominate on three. 1, 2, 3.
Dominate. Big guys on three. 1, 2, 3. Big guys. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Stands in, pocket squeezing down, and so
he's
goes.
gonna get rid of that.
Williams sat down on the field at the 40.
Great work, Dave. Great job.
Hey, that's it. Yeah.
Takes the snap. Patriots out with a three-man rush. Williams rolling to the right. Williams trying to get outside. Chased by Schooler, and he throws it to the turf.
Nice
Brendan
job.
Schooler employed on defense.
Great job.
That's exactly what we want.
If Swift is running to our left, he's a dead leg guy. That's your third thing. But if he's running to our right, he's a more downhill stiff arm, right? So if he's running to our left, remember that he's got that dead leg. That's his favorite move.
He turns and play fakes. He drops in the pocket. He throws it left. He's got a wide open Hooper. Makes the catch outside 25. Runs inside the number 20. And he's shouldered down at the 15-yard line and falling to the 13.
Hey, that's it. Hey, that's it.
Good job, Hunt. There we go. That's it, too.
Maye with the play fake in the pocket. Wide open
nice.
receiver left. Polk. And it's an easy flip and catch for a touchdown. Patriots.
Get that ball. Get that ball. That's it.
Good drive. Good drive, baby. That's it. That's it. There you go. Great drive. Great drive. Good job. Shoot slow, hot. Good job, Monte. Way to run the rock. Way to run the rock.
He's going to come right for you on the edge for a tackle. All right. Hey, he's playing hard. He's rushing this guy hard. We're doing a great job getting the quarterback. He's going. A handoff to Swift. Started left, tries to go back to the right, and he's going to lose yardage. Keon White takes him down inside the 25.
We just got to keep rushing 6 seconds, right? 6 seconds. This guy holds the ball more than anybody. We need 6 seconds to rush from every play. Let's go.
Takes the step, drops back, wide decline pressure from the quarterback's right. Schooler comes in as well. He's got there for the sack.
Good job, D. Great job.
That's how to do it. That's how to do it. That's how to do it, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Drake Maye rebounded from a rough start. Continues his forward progress as the Patriots win it by the 19-3 final.